We're on the second floor of Updike Hall, and behind me is our wall of research. Many of our classes require research projects to be done, and students at the end have to present their information in the form of a research poster. And this is a great experience for students because as a professional scientist, this is one of the ways you communicate your research to people. And so we have an undergraduate research symposium every fall where students come up here, they stand alongside their poster, and they talk to people about what they've learned. And it's a great experience for our students. And again, it builds communication skills and also presentation skills, helping students grow and get further faster here at Vincennes University. Well, you can see here in our anatomy lab, there's lots of things to give you a hand and help you to learn about anatomy. And we have a variety of things from models here, specifically on the arm. We have torso models. And if you've ever lost your mind, then you kind of know what we're experiencing right here. This is a great facility. We have these suction devices, so if we were ever doing dissection, we can take the odors right out of the building, which creates a great environment for our students. And we're very fortunate to have such a wonderful facility for teaching anatomy for our pre-med students, our physical therapy students, our nursing students. We create a really great learning environment by having such a variety of things. Over here, if you follow me, I'll show you something that we have that's really special. As we go along, this is a plasticized cadaver. So you can see, you've seen the models that we've looked at, which gives a good representation of muscles and other parts of the body. But compare this arm to this arm, you can see that this provides a much greater perspective for students to learn from. This is an actual person, and the cadaver itself has been converted to plastic. It's a plasticized cadaver. And again, you can see nerves, you can see all kinds of different tissue, and again, for our students who are going into the medical field, it provides a great learning opportunity to help them go further faster, like we do in everything else we do here at Vincennes University. Clubs are another great way for students to get involved at Vincennes University. And our college has several clubs, one of which is the biology club. And the biology club is open to any student who's simply interested in science. And what's really great is we get students out doing really interesting science experiences. Every year we go to the Exotic Feline Rescue Center, which is about an hour and 15 minutes away from us, and we spend a couple days working there every semester. And it's a great way to give back to our community, as well as learn about these wonderful exotic felines that are being kept there. And it gives students a great experience of performing community service. We also every year take them on a trip somewhere. Personally, myself, growing up in Indiana, I had never been west of St. Louis in my life. And if I'd had a club like this, where every year we go somewhere like California to Yosemite National Park, this year they're going to the Grand Canyon, they've gone to the Amazon in South America, they've gone to the Virgin Islands and gone snorkeling. These are great experiences for students who get to see that the world is a lot bigger than maybe they thought, and to experience science in a whole new way. A lot of people see science as sometimes the really big things, like the Grand Canyon, or a sequoia, or a whale. But science involves a lot of tiny things. And here at the College of Science and Engineering Mathematics, we study those as well. And this is our micro wall, where we challenge students to look at some images to try to figure out what they are. Because it's not every day that you see what your chromosomes look like, or what a virus looks like, or even a microscopic view of geologic material like basalt, or feathers. You know, all these are things that we're familiar with, but maybe we haven't looked at under the microscope. And here at VU, we try to give our students all kinds of points of view to broaden their world. I'm here in one of our biology labs to talk more about biology a little bit. We have several biology degrees. You can simply major in biology if you want a broad-based associate degree. We have a degree for pre-medical careers. So if you want to become a medical doctor, a physical therapist, a physician assistant, or a chiropractor, we have the major for you. We also have a zoology and marine biology program where if you want to be a zoologist or marine biologist, we have the first 2 years of that program, and it's been very successful getting students into those careers. And we have a genetics and cellular biology program. So if you want to be more of a laboratory scientist and study genetics or biotechnology or forensics, we have the place for you to start, and we'll help you get further faster. Hi there. We don't really want to magnify this face too much more, do we? So anyway, I'm here in the geology lab to talk to you about our geoscience, agriculture, and horticulture programs. We have a wide variety of programs, especially if you're interested in working in the outdoors. We have a geoscience major where you can focus on more geology and geography topics. We also have natural resources and environmental science. We have forestry and conservation. And all these degrees transfer to Purdue University, Ball State, University of Southern Indiana. If you're really interested in the outdoors and want to kind of work in these environmental sciences, this is a great place to start. We also have a great agriculture degree that transfers directly to Purdue University as a direct admission program, where students start here and then can transfer to the College of Agriculture at Purdue University after completing their degree. We are very fortunate in that program that we have Purdue professors that teach for us here on the Vincennes campus. And we just opened a brand new agriculture building just north of our main campus where you can learn more and more about agriculture. We also have a horticulture technology program where if you want to go into landscaping or start your own business, you do 2 years here, and that is all you need to do, and you'll have all kinds of licenses and certifications to go out into the workforce in the horticulture profession.